With COVID-19 tests, vaccines, and therapies now widely available in the U.S., President Joe Biden has big hopes for the rest of the world as he hosts a second virtual COVID summit. The U.S. has pledged 1.2 billion vaccine doses for donation. 535 million of them have been delivered. White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki told VOA the summit is about more than vaccines.
It's about ensuring that we are providing, expanding and protecting the health workforce, expanding the supply of oxygen facilities, enhancing access to medical countermeasures. These are all steps that we hope to and plan to discuss there.
The summit will also focus on getting shots into arms, enhancing access to tests and treatments, and financing pandemic preparedness. The U.S. will ask rich countries to step up and increase pandemic funding. However, the U.S. itself will show up empty-handed. Congress has yet to approve Biden's request for $5 billion in global pandemic response funds.
That's internal politics. Showing up on the world stage is still going to be a challenge without significant new commitments to show.
The summit is also a chance to share best practices. African nations, which have extensive experience with other transmissible diseases like HIV, tuberculosis, and Ebola, have different public health challenges and strengths.
We cannot have just one solution, which might fit to all of these different situations. So first of all, it's to listen, to understand, the realities, to try to understand that, and therefore, to have the most appropriate solution constructed, commonly with different countries, with different partners.
The first 2 years of the pandemic were marked by rich countries hoarding vaccines, threatening supplies to poorer countries. As the world moves past its crisis management phase, advocates say better coordination is needed to ensure equal access.
Our deep fear, based on close knowledge of all the players in this country and in others, is that is not going to happen.
One thing is clear. From Africa to China and everywhere in between, this pandemic is not over. Biden co-hosts the one-day virtual summit with Belize, Germany, Indonesia, and Senegal on May 12th. Anita Powell and Patsy Widakuswara, VOA News, the White House.